Hi boys and girls, welcome to the last day of Writer's Workshop. If you've scanned this video, that means you are in the OWL writing group. You're an expert writer. There's some materials that you need. You need your paper that you've already completed. That means you have your topic sentence, your 2 reasons, and your ending sentence. You have your fix-it-up checklist, and you have a buddy, another buddy who is also in the OWL group. Pause the video and get your materials. Today, you're going to work on peer editing with your partner. You might be wondering, what is peer editing? A peer is a classmate. So a peer is your buddy. That's who you're going to be working with. Editing means making suggestions, comments, compliments, and changes to your writing. So basically, you are going to be using your fix-it-up checklist with your peer, your buddy. Peer editing means working with someone in your class to help improve, revise, and edit your writing. There are 3 steps to peer editing. Step 1, give compliments. Step 2, give them suggestions. What can they fix? Step 3, make the corrections your peer told you to make. So let's get started. Go ahead and take your writing papers, this paper right here that you've completed. You are going to switch papers with your buddy. So you give your paper to your buddy and they're going to give you their paper. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take time to read each other's writings. If you can't read what they wrote, they can read it to you. You can go ahead and play rock, paper, scissors to see who's going to read their writing first. Or you might even just be able to read it on your own if they have really good handwriting. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your peer's writing and you're going to do the fix-it-up checklist. You're going to see what your partner needs to work on and what they're really good at. Go ahead, pause the video, look at your partner's work, and fill out the fix-it-up checklist for them. Now that you've completed the fix-it-up checklist, let's go back to our steps. Step 1, I want you to turn to your partner and give them a compliment on their writing. What did they do a great job at? Go ahead, pause the video. Step 2, now I want you to look at your partner and show them what they need to work on to make their writing even better. Pause the video. Step 3, the last thing you need to do is now you can go your separate ways and you can go back to your seat or wherever you are working and fix your writing. Did you need to add finger spaces? Did you forget punctuation? Did you need to add more sparkle words? Go ahead and make your corrections. And after you make your corrections, I want you to take a picture of your corrections on Seesaw. How did you fix your writing? Tell your teacher. When you're done, make sure you give that partner, your peer, a high five because you guys are rocking this writing. Have fun!